Hey everyone, let's get into the topic today. Postbot Insider Feature Edition 1. So Postbot is the GenAI assistant in the API testing the platform. So this is the GenAI assistant that can be used in the while we are doing the API scripts development that is offered by the Postman. It's a leading platform for APIs development, management, and the scripts creation and execution, and above all, monitoring the API services in the production platforms as well as in-house development platforms. Okay, so before getting into this particular the topic, I just wanted to give you an overview on the parent topic that I have published few months back. Okay, so that is about the Postman, the Postbot. If you go to my Medium blogging page, you will find this particular topic, that is Postbot AI Assistant by Postman. Okay, so if you have not gone through earlier this particular page, just have spend 2 minutes of time and go through this one, understand what I have explained over here, and then you can get to know about a glimpse of AI assistant, how it is playing key role in the API test scripts development. Okay, in continuation to this one, I have the planned few additions based on the Postbot, so that it will be useful to the workforce while they are working on the automation development. Okay, so what I planned is here. So Postbot has certain features. Yeah, it has a number of features, and it is going to support the development activities. So based on my availability, and I'm picking up one particular feature. I'm just detailing that particular feature and how it is online while we are working on the ground. Okay, so I'll just I'll add a few examples so that whoever is the interested, they can get advantage of this particular editions. So from the Postbot GenAI Assistant side, I'm going to release a couple of feature editions so in the coming weeks, so that at the end it is going to be a comprehensive product of Postbot that can be used in the day-to-day professional development activities. Okay, so with that being said, let us start with the feature edition 1. Okay, this is the first edition that I'm going to publish, followed by in the subsequent the playlist I'm going to release feature editions as well. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into what is the program that I have designed for edition 1. So like earlier the topics, I came up with a short concise the program, so that it is useful to the all audience whoever is watching this particular session. Okay, so first always I start with the core. Okay, that is workflow, and then the architecture. This is the main core of this particular Postbot to understand. I would say base, okay, to understand what exactly it is. Yeah, if you are using any of the assistants, apart from the uses of that assistant, but it is good to know how it is built and what kind of the data it has been trained, and how it is being used for the API test development. Though we are not though we are not in detail of this particular boss to the development, but it is an idea that we have to understand this particular assistant, how it is being developed, so that while we are working or playing this particular assistant, we can try multiple ways to get the better output and to get the various outputs, and to resolve the complex the problems that we encounter in the day to day. Okay, so keeping that in view, I thought of bringing this into the picture, so that it will connect the dots in the work, in the total entire flow, so that it is useful to the audience. So once this is completed and followed by the API test, in this particular edition I have taken the generate tests. It is at the collection level, and so I'm going to map it to business use cases, so that how this particular feature can be effectively used in the specific problem statements. Okay, and finally, this is the component that I have added in this one. It will be useful whenever we are working on any of the Gen AI assistant in the QA activities, or out of the QA activities, any kind of content generation activities. We have to take care certain kind of a review part, the output generated by the GenAI assistant. Okay, so it's not it is generated by the machine, but at the end a human has to go through and understand and review and take the decision what is the content that is needed to the particular requirement. Then only we have to the publish. So generally, since it is a new platform that is coming into our day-to-day life, this is the must and critical activity that we have to take care, part of any of the activities that we are following. Okay, so that's the reason I have included this particular component, but I am scoping this particular component to the Postbot, how we can the review the content generated by the Postbot, and what are the best practices that we have to adopt while we are working on Postman platform using the Postbot. Okay, so this is the program that I have designed for this the playlist, and we'll get into the details in the subsequent sessions. I'll catch you in the next session. Thank you.